Hey, what's up parent? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And in this video, we are going to perform some of analysis, especially price action made by a chart. Okay, and this analysis I'm gonna do with utilization of Chartbot as well as Generative API. Okay. So if you want to know about Chartbot, you can visit my channel, okay, and you can check out the playlist, and you can check the search bar by tapping as a chatbot. Okay, so plenty of videos are there. I've already done how you can identify price action of candlestick chart utilizing the number of AIs. Okay, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Copilot, even Grok, okay, even Gemini and Lens. So in this particular video, I have done some of the chatbot, the particular update of its dashboard, and I have been given tab related to technical indicators, machine learning as crossover signals. Okay, so you can check it out. So most of all things have been updated in technical indicator itself. So I must say that you try to explore it is one of the best. Okay, and some of the things have been removed as an HTML part. Okay, consists only few of these things which is required. So what happens to the Google Lens, it will be easy to recognize. Okay, so suppose if I just have to say search with Google Lens, so it will directly give me all of the stuff which is required. Start with AI and you can switch with the AI mode and can do analysis. So I have downloaded this chart and I try to analyze. So what I'm doing, just save images, and the particular date is 18/10 2025. So I have been given that name. Okay, so I'm gonna take this chart and analyze as I've been done with AI, okay, in direct method. In this I'm gonna utilize API which is required, generative a Google API. So I've took this stuff and I've been done some analysis, and I have been done pretty much as easy as possible. Okay, so giving just text, it will be easy to get the speech or say text recognition or say analysis or any of the stuff as a response you want. Okay, so in this also I'm gonna do the same. I will keep it very much simple. Okay, so let's get started. So I already have my API in this particular folder which I'm dealing as of right now, which I've been opened the notebook. Okay, so it will be there. With this I have to give the chart.png which I took it from Chartbot. Okay, so I'm gonna do the analysis. I'm gonna show you. So I will name this as a chart and I will read that PNG which has a readback, and in this I will name that PNG. So what is name? It is particularly date 25.png, and the strip is not required, so we just check it out. And the model which you need to call is import base 64. Okay, and there is a encode and decode method is there, so you have to follow this way, base 64.p64. okay, and you have to say encode, and then finally you have to decode in chase of the format UTF-8. Okay, so this is how you will perform. And the next thing which you have to do is you have to put something as inline data and you explain what type of the data or format or type or extensions you are putting. Okay, so that is important. So we have to open this in text itself, which we will say as in comes with, like, after this comma we'll say as an inline data. Okay, inline score data, and in this we have to provide with same thing which consists of our bracket. Okay, so this also deals with the same. Okay, so we have to give the bracket. So here syntax is important. If you miss anything, won't you provide the results which you are looking for. Okay, in this I have to say, so I think I've been pretty much open and close all of this stuff, and I have to say MIME type, so it will be multi-purpose international, okay, multimedia extensions type. Okay, so you just have to say media type, okay, which is our image, or say JPEG. Okay, so you can put any format. So right now I have in PNG, so just call that PNG itself, it doesn't matter, but you have to say as media type in this way. So you're calling the data, and it consists of our in decode and encode. Okay, so this is how we put some stuff, and you have to put a text. So what is our text? It will be especially kind of a format, so it will provide you the best results. The format is analyze text format. Analyze this chart and provide me the details of price action it consists. Okay, so if you do any mistakes in text, it doesn't matter. Try to understand the A stuff, but the format should be accurate. Okay, so we try to run here. If any mistake is there, we try to correct and run. Okay, so as you can see, whatever I'm doing is precise. Even the generative API which I call is precise. So I must say just to check it out, how to get the API key and how to run them. Okay, I've been done a detailed video and that is precise, so just go with it. So all you have to do is to run. Now I think I have an error, so it is a base 64. Okay, and I think if it is not giving error, means it is analyzing and it will provide me the details which I am looking. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds and get our details. Okay, so this we got our details. So as you can say, it is of 18th, from 17th to 18th, so 24 hours format have been utilized. So it took this data, a day one data. Okay, so it exactly took what I'm looking for, and it will provide it the details. Okay, so all of the things are there. As today Saturday is there, so definitely the market is in consolidation mode. So it will definitely gonna say, and as you can see, it is talking about the price, what is the peak price, and what type of support and resistance it got, at which time it got initial volatility, and even this also you can check in chart what other things are going on. Okay, how much the price has been moved and the volume and lot of stuff. Okay, so this is how you can do. Now what happens, say suppose if you got any kind of a model and you try to do some stuff, you have to do a lot of installations and a lot of debug which you need to do. But with the help of API, with few of the codes like just prompt, you will be able to do this stuff. So that is the power of our API. Okay, and from the starting of this channel I've been talking, so around 15 years as I can say, I'm talking about this stuff, about the API. Okay, so you also do this try, and the volume as you can see it is discussed. Okay, so we can do some of the analysis, and according to that we can plan the trade. Okay, now so suppose if you don't know the price action, you can do with the help of our chatbot, okay, which is available in GitHub, and it is easy. Just you open your CMD, first clone it, then give the Python as a virtual environment, activate, install it, and go for it. So if you just run this UV count dashboard, all of these files can assist. Okay. So by this clicking this, you can open here itself. It is available in the GitHub. So I must say I've been already given, and this is best. Even the code and the thing which I am taking is a very much smooth, and it got a lot of potential. Okay, which we'll definitely gonna discuss in upcoming videos. Okay, as of right now, up to this is good. Okay, so price action be done, and in next part we'll come across as fundamental analysis, sentiment analysis, and lot of stuff which we try to do, which is not possible earlier, but possible through this API. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.